Hi, this is my first video, so I would appreciate if you subscribed. And yeah, so we're gonna play Star Stable. I've been playing this game for like 7 years or something, so I'm really excited to show you guys. Well, maybe since like I was like 6, but I'm 8, so maybe just 1 year. But I'm on level 13, so that's really cool. We're gonna be training somebody today. It's a pony though, so the horse I'm riding will probably not be the horse I'm training. Okay, so logging into game server. Yeah, um, it's a little bit busy in this place, but I think it'll be fine. Um, let's just go in here. Hopefully we don't get kicked out and glitched out or something. Because last time I did and it wasn't that good, so I'm going to show you the horse that we're going to be training today. It is this horse. I got it like a few days ago, and I do kind of like the new versions actually. They're kind of cute. But anyway, so yeah, this is my first video. I'm going to be filming for a long time. It's training, and I'll do other stuff too, you know. So not the same stuff every time, but this is gonna be my first video, and I'm gonna do a couple videos in a day just because I'm really excited. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind, but yeah. So we're gonna be training her, and you guys, if you guys have TikTok, like and follow. I have TikTok, so yeah, I'll send it maybe like in a different day, but yeah. It is good to see you again, Zoe. Are you and Pirate Bean ready for your daily training? Yes, we are. It is a little bit laggy, but yeah, that's just, I don't know. It's just because it's just, yeah. Honestly, I'm not going to be in love with this horse forever, but I know somebody's horse that looks like this. His name is Pinno Bean, so that's why I named it Pirate Bean, but yeah, he's very cute. So, if I get kicked out, then you're gonna see everything that I do. So, yeah, that will be bad. He's already on level 4, but we're gonna try to train it to level like 15 or something. I don't know. I just like to do the easy races first, just because. So yeah, it's very fun to play this game. Sorry if my speaker is a little bit loud. I don't know why, but yeah. Just so you know, um, I am new to this, so yeah. We're gonna be just training today. And maybe we could do some quests in a different day, but maybe today I don't have any really exciting quests. Oh, sorry. I don't really have any though. Return to the wild bobcat track. So yeah, I don't. Oh darn it! I'm so sorry, guys. I might have to redo this race. Hopefully not. Let's just keep on going. Okay. Yes. There we have it. We're going to win this race. Like, come on. He's a kind of slow pony, honestly. Darn it. I thought I ran into the flag. Whatever. I'm kind of bad at this race. I know it's a really easy race, but yeah. It's very fun to play this game, so yeah. Yeah, there was a big glitch right there, so yeah. Okay, now let's see what else we can do. Cluster. Okay, we're gonna do races. We have a lot of races to catch up on. But like, who cares? I care. Oh no. Okay. So we're gonna go to Golden Leaf Stables. I do have a lot of star coins, so yeah. By the way, I love filming. It's okay if I show my face because I have a public account and me and my friend have showed our face, so yeah. It's fun if there's a shadow. Golden Leaf Racetrack. Okay. I honestly love this race. It is a little bit challenging, but this horse can do it. So yeah, we're just gonna do this race. Oh my gosh, this horse. Why is he beating me? That is not fair. No. Why are you leaving me behind? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just too in love with this pony. I'm so upset at this pony. Look how far they got. Oh, they're on a different race. Whatever. No, they're not. They're on the same race. But they're just really fast. And that is not fine. That is not okay that they're beating us, Pirate Bean. This is also supposed to be kind of funny. I just unlocked it, actually, because I'm on level 13. You guys can't see, but I am on level 13. And yeah, so sorry, guys. So it's kind of glitchy right now. So yeah, we're gonna just log on. We're gonna play. So yeah, sorry if it might take a while. It's just because it's just a little bit laggy today. But I really hope you guys kind of enjoyed. But we're still gonna be training, so I hope you guys like and follow me on here because I really would enjoy that. But yeah, if you guys, it's fine. But like, yeah, I would like a couple followers or something, couple subscribers. It is my first time, so please don't comment that you're not perfect on filming. I know I'm not because it's my first time. Like, I subscribed to Honey RC. Well, I didn't, but I will as soon as I'm done with this video, and I'll subscribe to all the YouTubers that play Star Stable. But I really, really enjoyed that you guys to like to play it, and yeah, I hope you guys are okay, and I hope you guys aren't sick because, it's COVID and my sister had it, I had it, and my parents didn't, but yeah, just please like and follow, like and subscribe, because people are sick and people are dying, and I really hope you guys are gonna be okay. I don't have any water, so my sore throat is kind of sore. So yeah, I don't think you guys want to hear that, but this is gonna probably be my last race, and I will do a race in a little bit. I'm gonna go get some water. So I'm gonna stop this video and post it, if I can. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, part of the video. I really am very sorry that we didn't do all of it, but in part 2, I'll show you. So yeah, just I hope you guys are okay, and yeah, you guys need to teach me how to do a live, because yeah, I would love to be riding with you all. So I don't know if I could do a live right now, because I think you need like 10,000 followers or something. I don't know. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, bye. I love y'all.